Which watch is actually worth your hard-earned money? Simple question, but you have to dig deep to get the answer. Today, we're uncovering the top 5 watches between $1,000 and $2,000 that you won't want to miss.
Product number 1, Casio LQ139A-1B3. The Casio LQ139A-1B3 caught my eye with its classic minimal design and affordable price of just $24.93. If you want a simple, stylish watch that works for everyday wear, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this watch stands out. It features a clean analog display, Arabic numerals, and a lightweight feel, weighing only 11 grams. That means you can wear it all day without feeling weighed down. Plus, it has water resistance for those minor splashes, making it practical for daily activities. The quartz movement ensures accurate timekeeping, promising plus or minus 20 seconds per month, which is fantastic for a budget watch. And the 3-year battery life means you won't be constantly replacing it. Now, some people might complain about its simplicity or the lack of features like advanced water resistance. But honestly, that's not a deal breaker for those who just want a reliable, straightforward watch. If you're not looking for bells and whistles, this one fits the bill perfectly. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a no-fuss timepiece for work or casual outings. Skip this one if you need something with more features like GPS or fitness tracking. For the price, it's a great value. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more durable and feature-rich, the next one might just do the trick. Product number 2, Casio MDV106 series. Next up is the Casio MDV106 series, priced at $83.99. What really drew me in was the durable stainless steel case and its 200-meter water resistance. If you need a watch that can keep up with your active lifestyle, this is certainly worth considering. This watch features a rotating bezel, which is super handy for timing various activities, plus a clear analog display with luminous markers, making it easy to read, even in low light. The stainless steel band not only looks sleek, but also feels secure with its one-touch clasp. With a quartz movement that keeps time to plus or minus 20 seconds per month, and a battery life of up to 3 years, you'll have a reliable companion for years to come. However, some users noted that the watch can feel a bit bulky on smaller wrists. But here's the thing, if you're someone who enjoys a more substantial feel, this won't bother you at all. For those who prefer a more discreet watch, this might not be your best bet. This is perfect for you if you engage in water sports or enjoy the outdoors. Skip this if you want something lightweight or ultra slim. Despite its price, it offers quality and durability that's hard to beat. Now, if you're into smart technology and fitness tracking, the next watch might be just what you need. Product number 3, Casio Men's AE2000WD-1AV. The Casio Men's AE2000WD-1AV is a standout at just $38.97. The multifunctional features really caught my attention, especially for a sport watch. If you want a watch that does a little bit of everything, this is worth checking out. With a digital display and quartz movement, this watch includes world time for 48 cities and a 10-year battery life, which is impressive. Plus, it's water resistant up to 660 feet, making it suitable for recreational scuba diving. It also features a stopwatch and a countdown timer, which are perfect for workouts or cooking. The LCD display is clear, which is a big plus for anyone needing to quickly check the time. However, some users have mentioned that the digital interface can feel a bit overwhelming at first. I get it. If you prefer simplicity, this might feel a bit complicated. But for those who love tech, it's a treasure trove of features. This is perfect for you if you're active and need a watch that can handle various functions. Skip it if you're looking for something that looks more traditional. For its price, it's a solid investment for anyone who needs versatility in their watch. Now, moving on. If you're after something with a sleek look and fitness tracking features, the next watch could be just what you need.
Product number 4, WalkerFit Smartwatch. Let's talk about the WalkerFit Smartwatch, retailing at $59.90. This one caught my eye because of its premium design and fitness tracking capabilities. If you're looking for a stylish smartwatch that tracks your health metrics, definitely give this one a look.
The 1.43-inch AMOLED display is vibrant and always on, which is great for quick glances. It features Bluetooth calling and notifications, making it easy to stay connected. Plus, it's waterproof up to 5 ATM, so you don't need to worry about taking it off when you hit the pool. The fitness tracking is accurate for things like heart rate and sleep, which is a must for anyone focused on health. Now, some reviews mention that the battery life could be better, especially if you use all the features regularly. But I'll be real with you, most smartwatches have their quirks with battery life. If you're someone who's using the watch heavily, just keep a charger handy. This is perfect for you if you're into fitness and want a watch that complements your lifestyle. Skip this if you prefer a traditional watch without smart features. For the price, it offers a lot of functionality you'd expect at a higher price point. Finally, if you want a basic digital watch with essential features, the last one on our list might just be what you need.
Product number 5, Casio AE1000W series, priced at $34.82. I liked its affordability and the 10-year battery life. If you want something reliable and easy to use, this is worth your attention. This digital watch features world time across 48 cities and an impressive 100-meter water resistance, which makes it versatile for daily wear. The stopwatch and daily alarm are handy for those who like to stay organized. It's straightforward and easy to read, so you can check the time at a glance. However, some users have mentioned the design feels a bit basic. But here's the thing, if you want something that just works without any fuss, this simplicity is a benefit, not a drawback. It's perfect for anyone who appreciates a straightforward, function-oriented watch. This is perfect for you if you want a no-nonsense watch that covers the essentials. Skip this if you're after something flashy or feature-packed. For its price, it's an unbeatable value for a dependable timepiece.
So to recap, we have the Casio LQ139A-1B3 for classic simplicity, the Casio MDV106 series for durability and style, the Casio AE2030WD-1AV for tech-savvy needs, the Walker Fit smartwatch for fitness enthusiasts, and the Casio AE1000W series for straightforward functionality. Each has its strengths, so it really comes down to what you need in a watch. No matter what you choose, you're making a smart investment.